iPhone 11 Pro X Max, or however it go, 11 Pro Max something. And how rude. Anywho.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. But by the title you can tell that I will be doing an unboxing, and I will be unboxing the new iPhone 11 Pro X Max, or however it go, 11 Pro Max something. And how rude. Anywho, this is the phone. Hasn't been opened yet, and I ordered me 2 phone cases from Amazon and 3 screen protectors. So let's go. I'm gonna open the phone cases first. So show you guys. So this is she's gonna be rude and walk right back through this camera. But this is
how
3.
else I'm gonna get off?
Oh, and it come with the little thing. Okay. So this is the screen protectors, and it comes with this I guess this case to help you put the screen protectors on better. It comes with the pads, the little cleaning wipes, a cleaning wipe as well, and 3 protectors. I ordered it off Amazon, and it was about $5, no more than $6. So this is what it comes. This is the name. Amazon comes with this little thing here. You could have went to the other bathroom. I ordered this case here. It's just a clear case with the pop socket already attached to it. And the ends, the bumper ends of it is rose gold. Baby, you could go back and play the game. Why you fucking with me?
Don't bother you?
Yeah.
How?
Cause you is.
And why would I go use another bathroom? This is my bathroom, right?
You could, I'm just saying that. You wouldn't be able to talk shit to me. So. And I ordered this case. It's Cosmo. And it's 11 Pro X case as well. Max or whatever. This is so pretty. The back of it is I'm gonna get up and show you guys. This is how it looks in the back. Ooh. And this comes with like a screen protector basically already attached to it. So I wouldn't have to put my screen protectors on yet if I'm gonna use this case. But I don't know, I don't even know how to open it. Hold on. I'm trying to open it for you guys. Well, okay, so I don't know how to open it. So we'll get back to this later, but get into this. You see this marble pink? It is so pretty. It's rose gold. I love rose gold. And I didn't get the gold phone. I didn't order the gold one because I always get rose gold everything. So My current phone is the iPhone XX Max. I have that one. But I just had to have, where the soup is? I just had to have this one. This one is like, I have an iPhone XX Max. Now I have the 11. It's from Verizon. I'm with Verizon. And this is, let's see. So yes, I have the X. Let me see. I want to say it properly. The iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is what I have. And then I have it in the 64 gigabyte.
We're going to the
Look at this. Oh. Did they change chargers or no?
Oh, baby.
So
it was gonna be the same thing. Oh, never mind.
So yeah, this is the little brochure.
The way it was looking, it looked like they gave you AirPods. I was about to be like, nah. See?
You know, the little apple sticker or whatever.
They just changed your block.
And this is what the blocks look like. They bigger blocks.
How long this charge?
Yeah, no, negative. The new phone. Oh, she's sickening. Oh. Oh. Let's power her on. If it's still the same way, I think you gotta hold power and volume up button. She's powering on. And I'm not gonna make no new iCloud because I want all my old pictures and stuff from my other phone. So, English, United States, quick start. It's taking a minute. It's taking a minute. I just want to show you guys the camera. This is ooh. 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 It's taking a minute to activate. It's activating.
Custy assholes. Move over.
Give me 1 second. iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods. The only thing I don't have is a MacBook. That's what I want next. I just can't afford it. Can't afford that. But I want me a MacBook. Let me see if baby will get it for me for Christmas. And then I have pretty much all of Apple devices. And it's still taking a minute to load, so yeah.
This shit is moving so slow, and I don't know why. And I got Wi-Fi, and I got good Wi-Fi at that. Set up later. set up later. It's asking me to set up the keychain, the Apple Watch, Siri, all that other stuff. I don't feel like setting it up. What? Now it's saying download and fucking install. Download and install what?
Hopefully this process don't take long.
While that's processing, I need to be trying to get this open. I think it just boom. Figured it out. It just popped out. It's like a little glove. So first. And then boom. So why did it start me over? Oh, it didn't. It's still up there. But this is what the case is looking like. I gotta buy me a pop socket for this one. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. This is so pretty. Pink marbles, gray marble, and white. And it comes already with a screen protector on it, so you don't even have to buy a screen protector. And this is with Cosmo. This case was 20 bucks. $19.99. Yes, it was. But it's worth it. It sure is. So I will save this for another day.
All right, I'm back. It finally uploaded. It finally finished downloading. So this is what this phone looking like. You see that, girl? Ooh. Now, I only wanted to go in to show you guys what this camera looks like.
You better stop bragging about that before I have to go get me one.
Let me do it. I like this. Portrait mode. Ooh. So yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, no.
So this ends. I'm gonna insert clips or whatever of the pictures I took. This motherfucking phone is raw.
What's your mother?
It's raw.
What's supposed to be a lady?
It's raw. It's motherfucking raw. No, but I love it. So
Spoiled, girl.
I'm not spoiled. You got me that way.
No.
Don't talk about I'm spoiled. But when you work hard, when you work hard for what you want, that's what you do. You get it.
Spoiled, bro.
Right? I'm not spoiled, sis.
Man, you are very much so spoiled.
I take care of my household. I make sure my kids straight.
I'm not gonna take that from you. You definitely do. But
I make sure she's straight even when she on the road. She be good. So
you do?
Sometimes you have to treat yourself.
You make sure I'm good once I get off the road.
So you treat yourself. But yeah, this ends the unboxing video. I just wanted to show you guys my new iPhone 11 Pro Max Pro or whatever. I have it in white, and it don't have glass on the back like the iPhone
the 8 and stuff.
The 8 and I guess the 10.
Yeah,
it don't come with glass, so I like that better. And then this case is everything Amazon. I will have the link in the description below of the both cases and screen protector. I'll have that in the link below. But yes, this is my case. This is the new phone.
All right, baby, that's good, right?
Yeah. So